In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Copilot in Excel to analyze, summarize, visualize, and clean your data. To get started, open a workbook that's saved to the cloud, either in OneDrive or SharePoint. Copilot works with cloud-saved files so it can process your request and return results in real time. Once your file is open, look for the Copilot icon on the Home tab. You can click it there or place your cursor in a cell to see the Copilot prompt field appear, then click it to start typing. From here, talk to Copilot in plain English. Think of it as a helper that translates what you want into the right Excel actions. For quick analysis, try a prompt like, summarize sales by region and highlight the top 3 performers. Copilot will scan your data, generate a summary, and suggest insights you can refine. If the result needs tweaking, add details such as a date range or a specific column name, and ask it to try again. To visualize your data, you can ask for charts and pivot tables. For example, create a pivot table that totals revenue by product and quarter, then insert a clustered column chart. Copilot will build the layout and insert the visual so you can immediately see patterns and trends. You can follow up with format the chart with clear axis titles and data labels to polish the presentation. When you need formulas, Copilot can write them for you and explain how they work. Try out, write an XLOOKUP that pulls price from the products table based on the SKU. SKU in A2. It will insert the formula and you can review the logic it used. If you prefer a different function or need absolute references, just say so and Copilot will adjust. Cleaning data is just as straightforward. Ask, remove duplicate rows based on order ID, or split the full name column into first and last names, or standardize all dates to YYMMDD. Copilot can also find blanks, fix inconsistent capitalization, and prepare your table for analysis without you hunting through menus. If you're building a dashboard, give Copilot a goal, such as create a simple dashboard showing monthly sales, top products, and regional performance with slicers for year and region. It will assemble charts and summaries that you can fine-tune. Remember, you're always in control. Read the preview, make edits, and refine your prompt to be more specific. Clear table headers and consistent data types help Copilot understand your request. With your file in the cloud, the Copilot button ready, and natural language prompts, you can turn complex requests into quick, accurate Excel actions and save a ton of time.